What's up, everybody? I'm up at Greers Ferry Lake in the South Fork of the Little Red River. Hey, it's our annual bluff wall beatdown. We're gonna take a jig, maybe a jerk bait, may throw a little bit of a crank, and got an A-rig tied on, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna catch most of my fish on the jig. Stay tuned, let's see what we get. There he is. All right. Hey, we finally got a fish. Let's go. A little A-rig action. All right. Little Kentucky bass off the A-rig. Caught that back swimmer. All right, there's a little guy. Throw it back out there and keep on going. Golly. There we go, baby. All I did was stop it for a minute and boom, there's a fish. What we catch? Let's see, baby. All right. Just a little Kentucky bass. This little guy, throw it back and keep going here. Oh shit, what's happening there? What is this? Come on. There we go. Heck yeah, that's a better fish. Oh, it got off. God dang. Stay on, baby. Not slacking the line, that's for sure. Let's see what it is. Alright, come on. Let's see what we got. I might need a net. Yeah, I'm gonna need a net. Dang. Let's see, I got two fish. One for one. Largemouth. There we go, baby. Alright. There we go on the A-rig, baby. Alright, got us a largemouth on the A-rig. It's definitely what they want today, it seems. No, I couldn't get them to do nothing on that red one. Pink, red, whatever the hell color it is. There he is. Yeah, they're on this A-rig, bro. That rig bites it today. That's a little better fish than what I've been catching. Largemouth. Got him. Hey, I caught one on the jig.
I knew you had one.
Jig fish. Where'd you catch that good one at? Same spot I did? Yeah. That's two good fish been caught over there. That's good.
Where you come back into those solid rocks.
Yeah.
It starts to get deep right there. I just catch.
There you go. Well, he mouthed it for a minute before you bite it. Little guy. Little guy. Little Kentucky. Well, I felt him just boom, 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 boom. Then finally ate it. Just don't quite want to do it. They don't want to quite commit to it. Reminds me of my girlfriend from the strip club. She just didn't want to commit. That's gotta be some damn walleye. Oh, there it is. Whatever it is, we are about to find out. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, it's pulling pretty good, but it's not like wanting to come up like a bass. Oh, what do we got? No, it's a bass. I'll be damned. Hey, there we go.
Pretty good with it.
Yeah. There's more of them down there. There's definitely more of them down there.
Is that real deep?
Yeah, it's 34 foot right here where I'm sitting. But I mean, I'm daggum near hitting the rock. Catch that fish. All right, there we go. Another one on the A-rig. Boy, you on them right there. Hell yeah. Good stuff. Fishing video.
Well, I mean, I don't
Let's try it the other way. Maybe they'll eat it.
Oh, I lost him.
Damn, they're on that jig, huh?
Yeah, that one was actually suspended, dude. It hit on the way down. There's a big ball right there. Good Lord. No, that's not a big ball. That's a rock. You just gotta know how to work jig perfectly.
I'm glad to hear it. There's something I just caught. All I felt was pressure that time.
Did you get one?
Yeah. Another decent one. Another decent one on the A-rig.
Down that little trough right there.
They're just stacked up right there. They're all little, but I mean, my goal is just to catch fish this time of year. Shit.
I love doing this, man.
If I can catch fish in fucking January, I'm happy.
Or 20 or something. 23. I mean, that's, you won't, but I will. Yeah, that's a good point.
There he is. Let's go. Yeah, they're out here. There we go, baby. Another A-rig fish.
That's how you know they're biting, when you catch one on an A-rig.
That was a fish. I didn't know what it was. Dang, I thought I was hung up. All right, baby. Another little guy, but hey. A-rigging. Got him. Let's go. Let's go, baby. He's little, but he's a jig fish. Ton of fish off that one. On a damn G-Money jig.
Well, we got about 15 or 20 minutes of daylight left. We're going to go down. I'm skipping your ass.
Got him. You can skip me if you want to, baby. I'm pulling them in, though. Woo! let's go. Another one. Out here by this tree. I sure enough got bit again. There he is. Feels a little better. Not so much, but hey, still catching them, baby. Let's go. Oh, A-rig. A-rig. But that really ain't how I plan to catch them today. But shit, I ain't gonna argue with them, I guess.